Look, I think he broke something.
Oh.
I tried to let him out. He flew the other way, hit himself on the window. Oh.
What are you doing, little birdie?
Oh.
Are you okay?
Whoa.
There you go.
Yay!
Hey, YouTube. We're going to Grand Junction. Had to rent a U-Haul because my truck's broke down. We're waiting on parts, so this is a little added expense, but it's nice to have something when you need it. So we're going down to Junction to buy these books. $100 for about 42 boxes of books, it appears to be. This is all I can see right here is what's in this box, and they put this little setup, but we'll see how it goes. These are vintage and antiques, so probably not for Amazon, but we'll see. We made it back, and here's our load of books. Books, books, books. I'd say that's about a Gaylord, maybe two. Probably at least a Gaylord for $100. Not bad. All right, so yesterday afternoon I went through and used my Scout IQ scanner and scanned every book with a barcode I could find and put the ones accepted in the house, and the rest are going elsewhere. So found about 60, maybe 70 books that accepted by Amazon, so around 350 in profit on the books that I found. So pretty good haul there. That will pay for this U-Haul was $125. It's only $20 a day, but it costs 79 cents a mile. So, and we drove over 100 miles. So do the math. It's about 125. I'm trying to get this done. I got to get it back in by 9:30. It's almost 7:30 already, and I'm not doing as well as I should be because there's still a lot of books. So I might rent this another day for 20 bucks because I'm not going to put any miles on it. I'm just going to sit here and sort books, because I'd really like to pre-sort before I start putting everything into boxes back into stuffing them into spaces I got, like out of storage units and in my truck and everything. So So I ended up renting the U-Haul for another day. As you can see, I still have a fair amount of books to sort through, and I really don't want to rush too hard because I missed one book that could be the $20 that I am paying for the extra day for the U-Haul. So we're going to slow down, take a little more time. I'm going through books that are damaged and have like taped spines and stains and stuff on them. They're going straight into the trash. I have 3 dumpsters here. That is part of our monthly fees. So we use them quite a bit, especially when we buy storage units. The lady that I bought these books from told me that these came out of the estate of a guy who was a missionary, and he traveled all over the world, and almost all of these books are religious related. So, and you all know, anybody who's sold books knows that religious books do well. So we could have a gold mine here. Especially some of the older ones that are interesting historically and stuff like that. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty good haul, I think. Got her done. All cleaned out. Truck's loaded with boxes though. So we got probably, I'd say, 30 boxes of books. Good books, so not bad.